In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a payment method in MailChimp. Whether you're managing expenses or just need to update your account settings, removing a payment method is a straightforward process that we'll walk through together. So let's dive right in and make this journey as smooth as possible. First things first, head over to the MailChimp website. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. If you don't have your login details handy, take a moment to grab them. Having these ready will make it easier to proceed. After successfully logging in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you should see your profile icon. This is your gateway to accessing your account settings. Give that profile icon a click and you'll notice a drop down menu will appear. In this drop down menu, look for the option that says Account and Billing. Selecting this option will take you into the more administrative side of MailChimp where all your payment and account details are managed. Once you're in the account and billing section, you'll want to locate and click on the billing tab. Now once inside the billing section, you should see an option labeled billing information. Go ahead and click on that too. Now here comes the part where you may need to do a little bit of searching. Scroll through the list of your payment methods until you find the one you wish to remove. Once you've identified which payment method you'd like to delete, you should see an option next to it that says delete or remove. Click on that option and follow any given instructions. After requesting to delete the payment method, a prompt will likely appear asking you to confirm your choice. This is to ensure that it's what you want to do and to prevent any accidental deletions. Confirm the deletion once you're ready. A quick but crucial note here. If you only have one active payment method connected to an ongoing subscription, MailChimp may require you to add a new payment method before you can remove the old one. This is to prevent any interruptions in service due to missed payments. Always make sure that you don't have any pending payments that could be affected by this change. And there you have it, you've successfully removed a payment method from your MailChimp account. Removing outdated or unnecessary payment methods can help keep your account secure and your billing information up to date. Thanks for sticking around and I hope this tutorial was helpful. For more guides and updates, don't forget to check back in with us regularly.